You'll need the following tools: a T40 Torx bit, a 10mm socket, 13mm socket, 18mm socket. You'll also need a 10mm wrench, 16mm wrench, a 3/8 ratchet, and a set of drill bits. You'll also need a 4mm hex key for the strap guides, which we'll point out later in the install. Let's start by removing the front seat belts. Use an 18mm socket and a 16mm wrench. Lifting the seat off the rails will make it easier to access the other two seat belt locations. Here you'll need a 13mm wrench and a 10mm wrench. These bolts hold spacers in place, and those spacers will need to be reinstalled. Now disconnect the seatbelt sensors, then move the seatbelts out of the way. At this point, you can remove the seat from the vehicle. The same process applies to the passenger side. Moving on to the harness bar, remove the seatbelt covers using a T40 Torx bit. The harness bar has 3 bolts on each side. Use a 13mm socket to remove them, and be sure to keep these bolts for reuse later. With the harness bar and seat out, you can now remove both the driver and passenger seat rails using a 10mm socket. Next, install the spacers. Each spacer has 2 sets of holes. The forward-facing holes give you only a height adjustment, while the rear holes provide both extended legroom and height adjustment. For this install, we're using the rear holes on all 4 spacers. Grab the supplied nuts and bolts, and with a 10mm socket, slightly tighten them down. When reinstalling the rails, use a 10mm wrench to secure the underside of the spacers. Once those are in place, fully tighten the remaining bolts using a 10mm socket and wrench. Now you can reinstall the seats. And with the seats installed, we can move on to the harness strap guides. Align each guide to the headrest and mark the hole locations. Drill out the holes, then install the supplied bolts using a 4mm hex key and a 10mm wrench. Repeat these steps for both seats. Finally, install the Weistec harness bar using 6 bolts you removed earlier. Start with the top bolt on each side to help level the bar. Then reinstall the remaining bolts. Once all 6 bolts are secure, put the seat belts back into place.